Okay, I'm going to be doing a farm tour. Hello, Pond update. Say hello. Okay, I'm going to be doing a farm tour. So this is my pond I'm making. There's a new one. If we walk around here, there are lots of my plants. Here's my bush. Here's pond. The fish are in it. They're going in a new one when it gets built. This is a makeshift one I built. And this is my bench. And it's very nice. When it's done, you would be able to look here into here and see all the fish. And here's all my strawberry plants. And yeah. Pond update. We removed the barrels on the side. So this is the big part for the lily pads, as I said before. And this is for the plants. This is for more plants. And all of this the fish can swim through. All of that part is massive. So yeah. This is the horse bit. We got Daisy. Daisy eating her grass. We got Tom all the way down there. The dogs, we got Toby, Molly, and Max. We got Fly, and we got Elle. And also, our garden's right next to the horse area, you know. We got Shadow's inside stable. He's outside right now. We've got Tom's inside stable. And if we go in, we have Daisy's and Tails is back there. This is all the horses outside, semi-inside stable for daytimes when it's raining. Hello, Tails. Say hello. Are you eating your hay? Yes, you are. Say hello. Yeah. Tom is down there, eating out the giant hay net. The chicken. All the little semi-adult chickens. And we got some adult chickens in here that we hatched. And we have Mrs. Hen and her babies. She's going in there, but her two babies. Here's chicken group number 1. Look at that chicken. Here's other 2 chickens. And peeking. Daisy, what you doing? And we got our baby runner ducks and some baby chicks. And here's our mini vineyard full of apples and pears. There's all the ducks. There's Mr. Duck and Brenda. Here's the other 2 ducks. They're just chilling.